Hello YouTube, working on my 2008 Acura RL, bad engine mount, the front one. Um, my approach was I did not remove the radiator, so all I did was remove this little electrical box here. This is off of the driver's side vent fan. It goes right in about here, this area, and that makes plenty of clearance for this passenger side vent fan to come out, and easy access to the engine mount. I've already installed it. I should have filmed more, but that was my approach. Hopefully this helps somebody out there, and I'll show you the engine mount I took out. So yeah, definitely needed it.